Guys, I just harvested this amazing, beautiful wild roses, and wild roses are amazing medicine for your heart. Helps you with immunity, helps you to have better boundaries. It helps you to have more energy and helps with immunity as well as with digestion. And I wanted to show you how to make very simple tincture, herbal medicine that you can use for many years. And all you need is a little jar, wild roses, and some alcohol. You like to use organic alcohol, gluten-free. You can also use non-organic alcohol. That works just as well. It's 40% proof. I don't like it too potent, and I don't feel like you don't need to burn your mouth and have it strong. This medicine is gentle and at the same time very effective. So all you need to do is just fill the jar with wild roses. Make sure there are no little bugs and it's all clean, and that you harvested it in a place where there's no pollution, nobody has sprayed it. And all you need to do is to cover it with alcohol. You cover it with alcohol. Alcohol is an amazing preservative. It helps the medicine to, when you take it internally, it's an amazing driver. So even if you're struggling with digestion and you're taking a tincture, it'll go straight into your blood, and that's why you can feel the effects of tinctures very often quickly, because it goes straight into your blood. Another positive thing about making a tincture, it's that it's there for, it doesn't expire. It's an amazing, alcohol is a preservative, and you can use it for over 10 years. Just keep it away from the direct sun. And what I like to do is to give an intention. I'm very grateful for these beautiful wild roses, and I'm asking and grateful that it brings health to my heart, and my relationship teaches me to have boundaries. Talking about boundaries, when you make this medicine, I made sure that I put some thorns that I harvested from the wild roses, and that teaches you how to have better boundaries, and to have an open, kind, loving heart, and yet being able to say no to others, so that you can say yes to your dreams and to what you want in your life. So keep this tincture for about, shake this tincture for about 3 to 4 weeks, and then you can take out the petals and keep it in the same little jar for many years, at least 10 or more. I love my little heart chakra tincture that I created, and this tincture has wild roses with thorns, hawthorn with thorns as well, and also it has lemon balm to uplift the heart. So here's what it looks like. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you'll make some heart medicine for yourself this season.